Welcome to our channel. If you want to export call logs from your T-Mobile account for records, billing disputes, or personal documentation, follow these step-by-step instructions to download your call history. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to tmobile.com, the official T-Mobile website. Step 2. Click on Login in the top right corner and enter your T-Mobile ID credentials to access your account. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to Account or My T-Mobile from the main menu. Step 4. Look for Usage or Usage Details in your account dashboard menu options. Step 5. Click on Usage Details or Call Logs to access your calling history records. Step 6. Select the phone line you want to view call logs for if you have multiple lines on your account. Step 7. Choose the date range for the call logs you want to export. Typically up to 18 months of history is available. Step 8. Look for an Export or Download button, usually located near the top or bottom of the Usage Details page. Step 9. Select your preferred file format such as CSV or PDF for downloading the call logs. Step 10. Click Download or Export and save the file to your computer or device. Step 11. Open the downloaded file to verify that all call log information including dates, times, numbers, and duration is correctly exported. Step 12. Store the exported call logs securely as they contain personal communication information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.